Want to make your Android phone look way cooler with a 3D wallpaper that actually moves when you tilt your phone? It gives your home screen an awesome depth effect, and the best part, it's super easy to set up. First, download and install an app called Pixel 4D Live Wallpapers from the Google Play Store. I've put the download link in the video description, so go check it out. Once it's installed, open the app. Right away, you'll see tons of amazing 3D wallpapers to choose from. Just browse around and pick the one you like the most. Before applying it, tilt or rotate your phone to preview the 3D effect. You'll see the wallpaper move as you move your device. Pretty cool, right? Happy with it? Tap Apply. Then tap Set Wallpaper. Now choose whether you want to use it on your home screen only or on both your home screen and lock screen. And that's it! Your Android phone now has a stunning 3D wallpaper that reacts to every movement of your phone. It looks awesome and is definitely something you'll want to show your friends. If you enjoyed this quick tip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Android tricks and hidden features. See you in the next video.